Good morning, dear students. Today we will start with a new chapter, that is chapter number 5, division. As you all know, this is not a new topic. Division we are learning from the class 3. Division means to subtract repeatedly. If we are having 10 toffees and we have to distribute 10 toffees among 2 students, then we will give the toffee to the first student. Equally you will distribute, then 5 toffees will be, every student will be getting. That means you are distributing toffees equally among 2 students. That is repeated subtraction. Now let's start. Here we have seen some of the pictures of the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. That is launched by our Prime Minister. Meaning of division. What are divisions? See here. There are 8 apples. Each child was given with 2 apples. How many children got the apple? So we are having 4 students or 4 children and 8 apples are given. So 2 apples each student is getting. That means apples are divided among these children equally. In this way, division means equal distribution of things. Now we will learn some of the basic things in exercise 6A. See here. Answer the questions given below each set of objects. In both the sets, a given number of things have been separated into equal groups. Here we can see we are given softies. And we are having 12 softies and 12 softies are distributed in collection of 2. Each collection is containing 2 softies. And this way we are having 6 collections. So how many groups of 2s are there in a collection of 12? So we have 6 collection of softies. The division sentence, how will we write? 12 is the total number of softies and divided by 2 because we are having 2 in each group. So 12 divided by 2 is equals to 6. That means in this case we have 6 groups of 2 softies each. Here the grouping is done in this way. Here the grouping is done in vertical way. Here it is done in horizontal way. So here we are having 2 groups of 6 car each. That means 12 divided by 6 is equals to 2. In this way, both these questions you have to do in the book only. Now, question number 2. Complete each sentence below. Here we are given with a multiplication sentence. 2 multiplied by 9 is equals to 18. Now, if we will divide this 18 with the number 9, then what will we get? We will get 2. 18 divided by 9 is equals to 2. That means multiplication is the reverse of division and division is the reverse of multiplication. Next, 8 multiplied by 3 is equals to 24. That means when we will divide 24 with this 3, we will get 8. 24 divided by 3 is 8. So this is the division sentence and this is the multiplication sentence. Now next is write a division sentence for each repeated subtraction. Here we are given with the repeated subtraction. As I told you, division is repeated subtraction method. So 12 minus 4 is 8, 8 minus 4 is 4 and 4 minus 4 is 0. That means it is repeatedly subtracting for 3 times. So 12 when divided by 4 we will get 3. 3 steps we are subtracting it. So 12 is divided by 4 we will get 3. Here 28 is subtracted for 4 times to get 0. That means 28 divided by 7 is equals to 7. 28 divided by, so here we have to divide 28 divided by 7 is equals to 4. 28 is subtracted for 4 times. Now here some of the number lines are given to you and we have to find out its answer. Here we can see a number line is given up to the 10. That means 10 and it is subtracted for 2 times. 10 minus 2 is 8, 8 minus 2 is 6, 6 minus 2 is 4, 4 minus 2 is 2 and 2 minus 2 is 0. That means 10 is divided by 2 here. And we will get the answer 5. Here we can see that 10 is divided by 2. For the 5 times, it will be subtracted out. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. In the next question, we can see the number line is given to you till 10. Number line is given till 10 and the number subtracted out of it is 5. So 10 divided by 5 is equals to 2. So for 2 times arrow is going and for the ones it is subtracted out of 10 minus 5. Now next question, the number line is given till 12 and the number subtracted out of it is 4. See here 4 gap is given. Here number line is given till 12 and number subtracted out of it is 3. So 12 divided by 3 is equals to 4. The arrow is going for the 4 times. Here the number line is up to the 12 and 4 numbers are subtracted out of it. That means 12 divided by 4 is 3. Now the next question, that is question number 5. Write 2 division sentence for each multiplication sentence. First one is done for you. Here a multiplication sentence is given and we have to write down this into division form. That means when the answer of the multiplication is divided by the first number or the second number, then in this way we will write. If 18 is divided by 3, then 6 will be the answer. If 18 is divided by 6, then 3 will be the answer. Same you have to do. Here 42 is the answer. And if 42 is divided by 6, then 7 will be the answer. And if 42 is divided by 7, then 6 will be the answer. That means it is in the multiplication form and this is in division form. Then this question you have to do yourself. Here in the question number 6, division form is given, multiplication form we have to write. So 20 divided by 5 is equals to 4. That means 4 5s are 20 and 5 4s are 20. So same we have to do. Here 45 divided by 5 is 9. So 9 5s are 45 and 5 9s are 45. In this way, the C question you have to do. All these questions you have to do in the book only. This is book work. Exercise 5A should be done in books. Now we are moving towards the last question. Here find the answer. Do the operation in the bracket first. So here what number is given inside the bracket, that you have to solve. Here we can see the number out of bracket is 21 and the divide sign is given after it, and after that 3 plus 4 is 7. Now divide both these. 21 divide by 7. 7 की टेबल में 21 3 times आता है, तो 3 is the answer. Here also first of all we will solve bracket. 8 minus 8 is 0. And if some number is divided with 0, then the answer will be 0 only. Here again 18 plus 4 is 22. But when it is divided by 0, answer will be 0 only. Here 2 brackets are given. So first of all solve this. 6 plus 9, 15. And 6 minus 1, 5. Now 15 की टेबल में sorry, 5 की table में 15 3 times. So this will be the answer. Here also 2 brackets are given. 7 5s are 35 and divide का sign and 5 7s are 35. Now divide both, you will get answer 1. This is the end of the exercise. Solve all the questions in book only, and if any doubt, ask me. Thank you.